Hey, what's up guys? If you're eagerly waiting for the launch of OnePlus 70 Pro, then this video is for you. OnePlus recently launched the brand new OnePlus 70 in India, with many believing that it would also launch OnePlus 70 Pro. Unfortunately, nothing much was said about the device at the event, leaving many questions. Thankfully, it seems like the company is gearing up for the mid-October launch, and HDFC Bank Smart Buy offer page has revealed some of the details and availability of this upcoming OnePlus 70 Pro. As per the offer page, the OnePlus 70 Pro will go on sale on Amazon starting from the October 15. However, the page reveals that the launch date is tentative instead of confirmed. On the top of this, the smartphone will be available for purchase from the OnePlus official online store along with the OnePlus exclusive store starting from the October 10, 2019. Coming to its specification, the OnePlus 70 Pro will sport a 6.65-inch of fluid AMOLED display with a notchless design. The Snapdragon 855 Plus, which is the newest powerful processor, will power the smartphone, and it will be housing a large battery of 4085 mAh powered with a warp charge 30D support. OnePlus is always known for their great cameras. This time OnePlus 70 Pro is coming with a triple rear camera system, which includes a 48 megapixel primary lens, an 8 megapixel of telephoto lens and an 16 megapixel of ultra wide lens. So these are the details we know so far about the OnePlus 70 Pro. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. If you want to comment anything on OnePlus 70 Pro or your expectations, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.